Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search among your tasks to find a particular one on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Log in by using your Touch ID or passcode, then tap on this More button down below in the right side corner of the screen and tap on the search icon in the More section, which is the second one. Here you should search tags or lists and so on to find particular tasks, so enter what you want to find in the search box. There is this important tag, so if I tap on it, I am going to find this relevant task to which this important tag is added. So I am directed to my inbox section where I can find this task. I can see its priority, the tag inserted to it, the sub-tags, sub-tasks and comments as well. So you are also ready to search for lists, for example. Here you can find your lists and other things as well. So it's a really useful function to narrow down your search and thereby being able to find any item the easiest way possible on this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.